Today I'm going to be breaking down the Motability Scheme, what it is, who it's for and what you actually get. So what is it? The Motability Scheme is a UK programme that helps people with disabilities stay mobile. If you're eligible, you can use the Motability Scheme to lease a brand new car, a wheelchair accessible vehicle or powered wheelchairs. How does it work? Simply choose a vehicle that suits your needs and exchange your Motability allowance to cover the lease. Leases typically last 3 years or 5 years for wheelchair accessible vehicles. What's included? Insurance for up to 3 drivers, servicing and maintenance, breakdown cover, tyres and windscreen repairs and road tax. For electric vehicles, charging may be included too. But a couple of things to know. Some cars may require an advance payment and you can't buy the car at the end, but you can still add drivers on even if you don't drive yourself. The Motability Scheme has helped millions of people across the UK stay independent while removing the stress and cost of running a vehicle. If you need help with your mobility needs, come to Croxdale.